Hello everyone, today we're going to be learning about a coding language. This coding language is called Python. Python is a language that many companies use today. It is not the only language because there are many more, like C and C++. But today we're going to be focusing on Python. So, in Python, the first main thing that you're going to be learning is this command, print. It does just what you think it does. So, you can put stuff like that, and when you run your command, it prints sub, as in subscribe. And when you remove these and you run, it'll give you an error because it does not know what sub is because it's not a function within the language, the coding language. So you must always use these little brackets because without them, the program doesn't realize that you're trying to print something. It thinks that you want it to print a counter or a program that is already in the coding language, because you can do that. So now, when you put the brackets back, no error this time. And to be honest, it doesn't matter whether you're using these brackets or these brackets, because whichever ones you're using, even when I put these away and instead put these, just remove these, okay, and instead I use these, you can see it does the same thing. Now, if you want to print two words, like you are going to have to put this here, because if you don't, it'll print them together. And now when you put this, it takes them as two different words. Or instead of doing that, you could just remove these two and put the same type. Now, if you use two different types of brackets, it will not work together. You need two types of the same brackets. So here, as you see, you have the same brackets, the same word. But what if you put something like this? Let's just say, now you have brackets, but you also want the program to print this. Now this is where it's useful, because you put these at either end, and now when you print, you have your brackets, and these act as like it explains the program that everything within these is what is a sentence, or just not a command, anything that is not a command. And if you try using wait just a sec. And if you try using two prints, as in print, and you put another one, like let's say there. Now if you put two prints on one line and you use it, it'll give you an error because you cannot put the same command, well, you cannot put print with a print on the same line because that just won't work. And then when you put them on separate lines, there. So that's it for today, and I hope you learned something.